In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the installation or update error for Windows 11 22H2. Many users encounter errors when attempting to update to this version via the official Windows Update channel, and this tutorial provides effective solutions to resolve the issue. First, navigate to Settings and open the System section. Scroll down to select Troubleshooters, locate the Windows Update option and click Run to diagnose and fix any issues detected. If the problem persists, use the Run application by pressing the Windows key plus R and type Services MSC. Find Windows Update Service in the list, double click it, and set its startup type to automatic. Then save the changes. For another approach, open your C drive and navigate to the Windows folder. Inside, locate the shared cache and other unknown files to clear temporary update data. Lastly, open Command Prompt as an administrator, type sfc /scanow and press enter to run a system scan and repair tool. Restart your system afterward and attempt to update again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update error and successfully install Windows 82H2. If this tutorial was helpful, remember to subscribe for more tech solutions and tutorials. Also, hit the bell icon for notifications about future uploads. Feel free to leave comments with your suggestions or questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.